Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I am the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to discuss with you the up-to-date understanding of what we believe is going on in San Diego Superior Court. Today is the 26th of June, 2020, and if you or a loved one have a case where the client is in custody, what's been happening is those appearances have been going on pretty much as they would pre-pandemic, with the exception of the fact that these court appearances are being held through Microsoft Teams. So it's sort of like Zoom, where if I'm the attorney, I'm in my office, the defendant is in custody, whether it's George Bailey, whether it's South Bay Vista Jail, there's a video on them, district attorney's at his or her office, and then the court, the judge, the court staff, and the court reporter are actually in the physical courtroom. But the attorneys are not walking into the courtroom. The accused, the defendant, is certainly not walking into the courtroom. These hearings are being audio recorded, available on YouTube. You can find that by going to the court website, sdcourt.ca.gov, and you could look up the case in the court calendar where the person's case that you want to hear, and you'll be able to hear that through audio. So it's, the courtroom's not open to the public, but you certainly have a right, which is important, to be able to hear what's going on, whether you're interested in a specific case or whether you just want to observe as best as you can in this situation what's going on. Now, it gets a little more dicey for those people who are out of custody, whether you were arrested before COVID, had a court date, or the case was going on during COVID, you're out of custody, you're out on bail, you're on your own recognizance, and you've had a court date from March 17th through, let's say the end of June. In all likelihood, your attorney and hopefully you will receive something in the mail, at least that's our understanding, starting in late July. And there'll be a couple of different ways this will go. Our understanding is that there may be like a status, a very informal just video call where your attorney, the prosecutor, and the judge will sort of get together. You're not going to be there. You're not expected to be there. They're not going to allow you to be there on video. It's just sort of, hey, what are we doing with this case? Can this case resolve? Do we need more time? Do we need to set this for trial? Do we need to set a new date for a motion that might have been set, a motion hearing that might have been set from March to June? So that should be happening sometime. Notices go out mid to late July, status informal conference in August, actual court hearings starting in September or beyond. But there are so many variables that go into it, right? We don't know what's going to happen next week, next month, as far as the trends with COVID, as far as the cases, as far as the deaths, as far as the hospitalizations. So it is very important that you stay up to date on it. Obviously, you probably have enough stuff going on in your life. That's why you need to rely on the attorney or the law firm that represents you. So make sure you hold them to that. Ask them these questions. Make sure you're getting those answers in this time of uncertainty. Your attorney probably won't have all the answers. We don't have all the answers, but it is important that they stay up to date on what's going on, the messages from the court, so they could represent you most effectively and try and maximize this terrible situation to get you the best outcome possible given what everyone's working with. So if you're facing a current criminal case here in San Diego and have some questions about what the next steps are, how you could best regain control of your future, please give my firm a call at 619-295-3555.